Here you can see just how powerful this plan is. This is a little chart showing what would happen if you introduce just 3 people a month for just 3 months and they did the same and everybody that came in was at diamond level. Now, I'm not suggesting that this is what will happen in all cases. I'm not guaranteeing that this will happen in your case. This is just an example of the potential and the power of this plan. Once you have this number of members in place, whether they started at bronze and climbed the ladder or whether they came in at diamond as the big earners do, makes no difference. Once you have reached these numbers, these are the figures that you will make. So if we take these as steps, these could be monthly steps, they could be weekly steps, they could be hourly steps, they could be yearly steps. But if you introduce 3 people in month 1 or in step 1, in plan 1 with the matching bonus, you would earn $333, and in plan 2 with the pass-ups you would earn $310, which would give you $643 income in step 1. As I say, this is if all people are at diamond level. Month 2, once again you introduce 3, or step 2, and these 3 people here introduce their 3 each. So there's 9 people being introduced altogether by the people you've introduced. That's 3 and 9, 12, plus 3 recurring commissions gives you 15 in plan 1 with the matching bonus. And that is the equivalent of $1,665 in commissions in step 2. And in plan 2 you would have 3 people that you introduce, 2 people passed up from the 2 people that you retained. Month 1, your 3rd person is passed up, so it only leaves you with 2. So you've got 2 people passed up from the 2 that were retained as they introduced their 3. That gives you 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. That's another $1,000 in commissions, a total of $2,750. In month 3, or step 3, you introduce another 3 people. The 6 people you introduced previously, introduce 3 people each, that's 18, that's 21, plus your 15 is 36 people that you receive commissions on here, $3,996. In plan 2, you introduce another 3 people, you get 5 people passed up, that's 3 from your personal sales last month and 2 from your pass-ups, gives you 8 plus the 7 is 15. That's an additional 2,300 in commissions, 6,000 plus commissions by just step 3. Step 4, you've done your work. I'm not suggesting that you have to stop. Just for simplicity, in this example we're showing it as though you never do anything else. You've got 9 people that introduce 3 people each. That's 27 people added on to the 36 from last month. 63 gives you almost $7,000 in commissions in plan 1. You don't introduce any here, but you have 8 people passed up to you. 3 from your personal sales and 5 from the people that were passed up. A total of 8. Added on to the 15, 23 people, giving you over $3,500 in commissions with plan 2. That's now over $10,000 a month in just 4 steps. As we take this on, you'll see that this person now, these 3 people have introduced their 3. They finished last month. So you've now got 6 people that introduced 3, 18, added to the 63, 81, almost 9,000 in plan 1. 8 people here, add 8 pass-ups to you, total of 23 plus the 8, 31, almost 5,000 here, gives you a total of 13,796 in step 5. In step 6, you've only got 3 people here now that are introducing 3 each. That's 9. added on to the 81 is 90 people. That's 9,990 in recurring commissions. And if nobody introduces any more people, that's where you'll stay in Plan 1, $9,990 every month in recurring commissions. Here we get 8 people added again, because 8 passing up 8. 39, 6,045, 16,035, and this is where the power of Plan 2 comes in, because even though nobody that you introduced is introducing any more people, and you're not introducing any more people, all the people that are passed up to you are going along getting their 3, and that passes up 8 people, 8 people, 8 people, 8 people, 8 people, 8 people, on and on and on. And so your income goes up, keeps growing here. 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 11, 12, 13. And this is pushing up your combined income so that you're not stuck at this level of 16,000, which wouldn't be bad to be stuck at, but it goes up every month. You get a rise every month. 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 22, 23, and it keeps on growing. And that's why we've got these 2 splits, so that you can earn money fast, and so that it keeps on growing. You get a raise every month. Okay? I wanted to show you this because in just 4 steps you can get to over $10,000 a month in commission. If you're a real go-getter, go out and do it in 4 weeks. If you like to take your time, do it in 4 months. If you're really slow at this and it takes you 4 years, so what? What else can you do that will produce this income for you, starting from scratch and giving you a pay rise every month afterwards? There's nothing out there as powerful as this. Okay? Just a quick example.